Okay, so today's class is about numbers, okay? You know everything
Teacher,
about numbers. I'm sorry?
you have, I am copy this presentation.
Yes, but remember that you will
No
copy
copy.
at the end. I'll explain everything that you need, okay?
Teacher, numbers is the title.
Numbers is the title.
Okay.
Okay, so the numbers, it's very important for everybody. We use numbers in our day-to-day life. Everywhere we go, we use numbers. People sometimes don't like math and they say, why am I going to study that if I'm not going to become an engineer or whatever, a mathematician? But it's important, okay? If you go to the grocery store or to the supermarket, you need numbers, okay? So they're called numerals. And without numbers, we cannot do counting. So imagine, you cannot do anything without numbers. We cannot have date. We could not have time. We could not have money. Okay? And perhaps you could not have the highest score in your video games. That's important. And we would not know how many points you got or how targeted you are. Number 1, number 3, number 25. Okay, sometimes these numbers are used for measurement and sometimes they're used for labeling, okay? They tell you what comes before something. Okay, this is just an information about a number, okay? This is a big, huge number and it's the approximate value of the golden ratio. That there, it's a decimal. So it's 1 and, okay, 618,103, okay? Millionth. Then you have there the number of P. It's a mathematical number that you will use very soon. And there's just a simple digit. And there are 7 letters to represent the Roman numerals. Before we had the numbers that we know about, we had Roman numerals, okay? And they didn't use numbers as we know them. They used some letters to represent the amount. And then we have 1525. That is the year in which the radical symbol was first used in print. It's just random numbers that I'm calling out. Okay, so we have different type of numbers. There are different types of numbers in math. We have natural numbers, we have whole numbers, odd and even numbers. Okay, let's see, Samuel Romero. Can you help me out? Do you know what is an odd number?
Nope.
An even number?
Nope.
No? Okay. Is there someone that knows? You can open your microphone and tell me?
Bueno, aquí está mi hermano.
No, but I mean, someone from the class.
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
Very good. Okay, and you
Teacher,
can tell me
even numbers are 2, 0, 4, 8, 10.
Okay, very good. So we have the odd numbers and the even numbers. You do know because you've studied that. Very good. So thank God that somebody reminded it. Okay, don't worry, Samuel. We will go back through it, okay? And we have also something that is called cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers, okay? Maybe you do not remember about it, but I'm sure you all know what they are. Okay, and then we have something else that we don't know about it. They called rational numbers, irrational numbers. Ooh, you don't imagine how many numbers there must be. But we are going to focus just right now in just numerals, okay? So we have symbols. The numbers are called digits and they're symbols, okay? somebody made a symbol like that and we named it, and that's what we use, okay? Like in number 3 in this case, which represent a number, okay, known as numeral. This symbol is called a numeral, okay? Practices uses. We have numbers are expressed in numeric forms and also in words. For example, we can have, like there, it's a 5, and you represent it in words as the word F-I-V-E. Okay, in the first column that you look in the screen, you have the Roman numeral. Okay, so this is the symbol for Roman numerals. Then you have what we call the Arabic numerals that we know now. And then we have it written in words. We give it a name, okay, to read it and to write it. And then we have here the X is the symbol for 10, and it's written in words. And then the L is the symbol for 50, and this is the way we write it in letters, okay? So we can write numerals and we can write words.
Teacher,
Yes?
we have to copy this.
No, not yet. Numbers can be written as words, okay? For example, 3. Numbers can be written as numerals, okay? It's a digit. Okay, we have the most important part. There's people that raise their hand. Do you have any question, Samuel, or it's a mistake?
And I have a question.
Okay, about the topic?
And no, you will send a homework to academia.
Yes. Susana?
Ah, okay.
Okay, Armando, you have a question? Okay, so we're going to go to what it is, okay? This one, you will copy it. Just for you to know, remember that you're going to copy after we finish the class. You will copy what is cardinal numbers, okay? Cardinal numbers say how many of something, such as 1, 2, 3, something that we can count, okay? If I ask you how many fingers do you see, you will count 1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there's 5 fingers, okay? Ordinal numbers tell us the position of something in a list, okay? So we can have it first, if it's number 1, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Okay, and we have something else that it's called nominal numbers, that it's just the name of the number itself, the name of the numeral. Okay, Juan Diego, you have a question?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, okay, go on.
I have a question. Like you are going to put a homework and you have to put exercises, and some exercises have to be like 50. You have to put it in letters like FIFTY. You know.
Exactly. So what is the homework? What is the question?
And you can put L, not FIFTY. You know, like L, only L. 50.
No, because we're not talking about Roman numbers. You have to say it in letters. Remember, you have to wait to see which is the homework. And when you read there the instructions, you will know what you have to do, okay? If you write an L, it will be wrong because 50 is not written with an L. That was just an example of the ways that you will have, okay, some different numbers. perhaps like you know about it because you studied before, it's called Roman numerals, okay, or Roman numbers. Okay, those are, like I tell you, some different symbols. But we're not going to be, right now, no, we're not going to study it. It will be soon, okay?
Okay.
Nelson, do you have a question or I can go on?
Yes, teacher, I have a question.
Okay, tell me.
We have to copy now or after the
Okay,
class?
listen, I tell you this every time. You're not going to copy it during the class. I will tell you what you're going to copy and then you will copy it after the class, okay?
Okay, and you can tell me what I have to copy.
Yes, okay, I will tell you at the end, okay? You will have to copy
Teacher,
concepts.
this is in academia.
Yes, and if it's not there, it will be, okay? Remember what I said yesterday? I
Victoria.
noted it, but if you cannot see it, so it will be then. I will check it now. Okay, so the definitions, okay? Cardinal numbers, we said that we use them to count, okay? We cannot have fractions or decimal, it just counts, okay? Perhaps look at the picture there. Those are coins, different coins of the world, okay? So if we count them, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins, okay? So cardinal is for counting, okay? So the C for cardinal will remind you that it is for counting. Then we have the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used to give you the position. Okay, so in this picture, look at the picture. There's a big dog, there's a girl, there's a smaller dog and a puppy. Okay, so in this picture, the girl is second. She's in second place, okay? So you can remember that ordinal says what order things are in, okay? And then you have the nominal numbers. You can see there's a number in the back of the shirt of the player, okay? So that one is number 8. And that's just a number for a shirt. It doesn't implies anything, okay? So a nominal is for naming, okay? It names the numbers or the numerals. Jenny, you have a question?
No.
Okay. Okay, so and so far everything must be clear, right? Cardinal numbers are used for counting, ordinal numbers are used for ordering, and nominal numbers are used for naming these numbers, okay? So in this case, we're going to see it, okay? You see the picture, there's cars, NASDAQ, okay? And we have there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a little bit of the last card, a white card that we are looking at there, okay? So in this photo, we have 6 cars. There's a number in the car with yellow roof. That number is 99, okay? So 99, it's a nominal number, okay? That's the name of the car. And the car is in first position. It's telling you what is the order of the cars. Okay, number 6 is a cardinal number because we are counting how many cars are there. Okay, and number 4 is an ordinal number. They're telling you the position. Okay, perhaps if we see number 21 there, it's the red car over here. Who can tell me which position it is?
The third.
The third, very
Third
good.
place.
Very good. And this car over here, number 38, what position?
Second one.
The
The
second one.
second.
Second place.
And this one over here, the 40th?
Third.
Fourth.
The four. Well, no, it's the fifth.
No,
Look,
five.
fifth. It's called fifth. Okay, we have here first, second, third, fourth. We don't see the number of this white card. Fifth, and the six is almost at the end. Last, it almost didn't even get in the picture. Okay? So remember, cardinal is for counting, ordinal is for ordering, okay? And nominal is just for naming, okay? We use, in the decimal number systems that we use now, 10 numerals. There are 10 symbols, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? And with that, we can make a chart as big as we can. We can have an ordinal chart and a cardinal number chart, okay? So this is the cardinal number chart. You all know this. This is just a review, okay? So, but let's check it because you need to remind how to write these numbers, okay? So this one over here, it's going to call the numeral, okay? And this one over here, it's in word. So the first one is 1, and we spell it O-N-E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we have the tens, okay? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1,000, and 1,000,000, okay? Of course, with all this, we can mix and make other numbers, right? Because those are not the only ones that we have. We have compound numbers. So I'm going to tell you one stuff that is very, very important, okay? When you're going to write a 10, okay, that it's not, that it has followed by ones, okay? You need to write the tens, okay? In this case, we chose 30. Then we need to add the hyphen. And then we are going to add the 1. I'm telling you this in letters, okay? So it will end 34. The hyphen is important. If you do not write the hyphen, it will be wrong, okay? If you go to a spelling competition and you are asked to spell a number, a compound number, and you forget to spell the hyphen, it will be wrong. You will be disqualified, okay? Isabella, yes, you want to say something?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
I have a competition of gymnastics.
You have a competition of gymnastic. Great. We'll talk about it later, okay? In the second hour, you can tell me all about it. Okay, so numbers in English go on, okay? So we have, you know, the 0, the 1, we already know those. Then, like I'm telling you, we have the teens. We call it like that because they end in teen, okay? Then we have the 20s. It's the tens, 20. And then we have added by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 with a hyphen, okay? And it goes on with the 30s, with the 40s, with the hundreds, okay? So we can have 100, 200, 300, 900. After 900, it goes on to 1,000. And then I can go on and have 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, following the ones from the hundreds. And then it comes to 10,000. So after 10,000, it will follow the ones in teens. So I will have 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, okay, until it comes to 100,000. And then I will go again and follow the hundreds. So I will have 200,000, 300,000, until we go with 1 million, and everything goes again, okay? It continues. So we need to practice. I'm going to call a name, Alejandro Gomez.
Okay.
Alejandro, do you know that name there? How is it called? 19. Very good. Okay, now spell the number.
What?
I'm going to help you, okay? To spell the number is tell me how you write that number, okay? So it starts with an N. So it's N-I-N-E-E-N, 19. Okay, I'm going to give you another number, Alejandro, so you can go on and do it, okay?
Teacher,
Alejandro, did you see the number? What happened to Alejandro? Okay, Joseph.
Se salió.
Are you there, Joseph?
Yes.
Okay, do you see that number?
Yes, 11.
Okay, can you spell it?
Yeah.
Okay.
E-L-E-W-E-E-N, 11.
Okay, it's incorrect. Okay, I'm gonna help you out. It's E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Okay.
Okay.
Cristina.
hi.
Okay, hi, Cristina. Can you help me out with this number?
Teacher, I don't see the presentation.
You're not looking at it. Oh my
I
God.
don't see the presentation.
Okay, well, let's see. I have one hand raised. Jonathan Texeira. Cristina, maybe it's your band, okay? So let's wait for a second, okay?
Okay,
Jonathan, are you there?
okay.
Yes.
Okay, tell me, do you see the number?
Yes.
Okay, read it.
81, but I spell it right.
Uh-huh.
Okay, 81. E-I-G-H-T-Y I hyphen O-N-E. What 81? I was
Okay,
confused.
very good. Okay, Caleb. Let's go for the other
Yes.
Caleb.
Okay. This number is 48.
Voy a tener que
46. Uh-huh.
Spell it F-O-U-R-T-Y Vallita S-I-X.
Okay, guys, listen. Okay, I'm gonna help you out because there's mistakes there, okay? 40 does not have an U. 4 has a new. 14 has a new, but 40 does not. Okay, so it's F-O-R-T-Y. That line is called hyphen. You won't ever forget about it, right? Okay, I'm going to go with the last one, and then I'm going to explain the homework, and if we have time, I'll go back. So Luis Fer has his hand raised. So let's go, Luis Fer. Let's see what number comes to you. Let's see, nice number.
Okay. 17-3.
Okay, listen.
No, but
It's 70.
73.
Very good. Okay, spell it.
SEBENTEN hyphen THREE.
Okay, you almost got it. You almost got it. It's 70. Okay, and ends in Y. All the tens end in Y, okay? In TY. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, so it's SEVENTY hyphen and then THREE. So it was great, okay? So I'm going to go tell you what it's the homework, okay? So in the homework, it's a worksheet that will be in Academia, okay? You will have to download it and you will just do it, okay? Follow the instructions. One part is writing the number in Word. I give you the number in numerals and you have to write it in words. And then the other part is the opposite. I give you an amount, okay, in words, and you have to tell me which is the number in numerals, okay? It's a very simple, okay? You will find it in Academia. Okay, so what do you have to copy, okay? I will post this presentation there and you will see it, okay? Just the concepts. Okay, and if there is another question that someone did not understand, you can open your microphone and tell me. If not, we'll go back to continue practicing.
Teacher,
Yes?
we are gonna copy all the presentation.
No, you are going to copy. I'm going to post the presentation, and there, when you find the pencil, that's the one that you're going to copy.
Okay.
I know this joke, teacher. I know this joke.
Oh. So why did the student eat his homework?
Because they said it was a piece of cake.
Yes, because the teacher said it was a piece of cake. Haha. So a piece of
I'm
cake
smart.
means, this is, remember that it says an idiomatic expression, okay? This means, like we said at the beginning in the first class, that it's very, very easy, okay? So don't eat the homeworks when I say that it's a piece of cake, please. Please do not eat them. Okay, so we have like 6 minutes. So let's go back. Let's see who else wants to play. Carlos Teran.
Okay. Okay. 57.
Okay.
57. FIFTY hyphen 7SEBEN. 57.
Very good. Okay, Aaron Kinsbrunner, you can go up.
Hello.
Okie dokie, here you go.
Certain.
Ajá.
Creo que no he terminado de cantar.
13.
THIRTEN.
Okay, THIRTEN. Very good. Okay, let's see, Armando. Armando, let's see what number you can tell me. Armando, are you ready? If Armando is not ready, let's go with Slemon.
No, I am ready.
Okay, Armando is here. Armando is here. So next one is Slemon. Okay, go on, Armando.
25. T. W. E. E. N. T. Y. F. I. V. E.
Okay, listen. 25 has only one E. It's TWENTY. And you didn't use the hyphen. Remember, the hyphen is very important. And then comes 5, FIVE. Okay? Okay, so it was time of Sleman, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Teacher, can I go after Slimman?
I'm telling you, I'm just checking it with the magic finger. Okay, Sleman, go.
100 and there. Okay.
Okay, wait a second. It's just 100, okay? It was my mistake. So spell only 100.
Superiores. 100. ONE hyphen superiores. CERO hyphen CERO.
Okay, 100 is ONE space, there's no hyphen, HUNDRED. Okay, so now Napolitano Raniero.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, Nap.
Pobre man.
I'm gonna help you. 12.
12. TWO N.
Okay, let's see. Emmy, can you help Raniero? Okay, Maximiliano, can you help Raniero?
Teacher.
12. TWELVE 12.
Okay, very good. Okay, so Nicole Garcia. Let's see, Nicole. Let's see. I think that Nicole will be like the last one. Okay?
Okay, teacher. 10. TEN. 10.
Very good. I've got one more for Pierina.
It's very easy, teacher.
No, teacher, I have a question.
Okay, but spell that
For
number
social
first.
studies. Okay.
Two.
Uh-huh.
TWO. Two.
Okay. So